These ducks gotta go.
I love you, SS Sniper Wolf.
Wake up.
Huh?
These ducks gotta go.
Like to the bathroom?
No, outside.
I could have Aivituvin send us a duck house and we could build it.
Perfect.
Let's do it. Hey, Veezy Kids! Guys, you see the boxes. You saw the little intro. Today, we're building a house for the ducks. They want a bed too. They want a house. They want pillows and covers. And
My ducks get pillows and covers.
her ducks get pillows and covers. And then if Anthony acts up, he sleeps out here too. So stick around. We got an episode for you. Hey, do you guys remember the turtle enclosure that they sent us a couple videos back? If not, let me refresh your memory. Hey, thank you so much, Aivituvin, for sending us this turtle enclosure. And we're back. Today, the good folks over at Aivituvin sent us a duck house. Well, it's actually a chicken house, but that's it right there, the Air 45.
Guys, this thing is massive.
I can't believe all this came in 2 flat boxes like this.
I know.
All right, and also, if you don't like the package or it doesn't work or something's broke, keep the box. They'll take back the whole thing, no issues whatsoever. All right, guys, let's break this thing down and build it. Are you gonna build this today?
I'm ready to get the ducks out of the house.
Even yours?
No.
Nope. I can't believe it. We literally just called these guys maybe about a week or so ago, and it's already here.
I know. Aivituvin ships in 1 to 2 working days from 8 different warehouses in the USA.
So they're here in the USA?
Yep.
Oh, that's perfect for customer service. Aivituvin also packs toys that we can play with while we're building. Let's go!
Chopping bricks like karate.
See if you can kick it.
Okay.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect.
Put your head down. Oh. Wait, the ducks are gonna eat that. Anthony, clean it all up.
Why does this smell so good? Smell it. That smells good.
Aivituvin makes their materials out of fir wood.
And is coated with an eco-friendly water-based paint that is 100% safe for your animals.
Yo, let's get these packages unloaded, guys.
Anthony, you're gonna help us or not?
He's mad, big sad, ha ha, don't care, stay mad.
I don't think I need this.
No! Mom, this is an easy-to-read pictorial manual that's so easy even Papa Veezy can do it.
Wait, bro.
No offense.
Let's go, Alyssa, hurry up, we're thirsty. What is that, punch?
It's Gatorade.
Oh.
Why is it salty?
Did you add salt instead of sugar in the Gatorade?
Not salt, guys. You're just weird.
Nobody brought me a cup.
You don't need a cup. Chug, 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 chug. Oh, it matches your shirt, too.
So you have to take A and B. Okay, these are together.
Where are all the screws at?
They're right here. They're all marked in plastic bags.
Nice. Anthony, that's the bird that keeps eating our fish in here. Go, get him. Get him, get him before he gets out of here. Go. What are you, oh.
I keep on falling.
Look how it's pre-stamped with the letter to put them together easily.
And many have dowel rods to hold them nicely.
Oh, so you just put it right in there?
Yep.
And then drill the side.
It's that simple.
Oh, even you could do it.
Yeah.
What the heck are you guys doing? Bro, we're making a house for the ducks, not a pool for the Anthonys. Oh boy, what the heck? Do you even know how to read? Are you flicking me off? Oh, it's easy though, right?
Yeah.
Jeez, that's it?
Yeah.
Sturdy.
Yeah.
Anthony, you could sleep in here, bro. This is kind of comfy.
What are you drinking out of?
Huh?
What are you drinking
Water.
out of?
How about this, guys? Oh, yeah, it was cold. Oh my God. Yeah, it was so cold. I didn't mean, maybe I shouldn't have did that. Oh, now my butt's cold. Oh, this thing is super easy. Watch. Bop. Bop. Look at this, guys. You guys watching? Oh! That's where we're gonna get our duck eggs from every morning. Comment down below if you've ever had a duck egg. I'm telling you, Paul put us onto these things. They taste better than chicken eggs. They're bigger, thicker, creamier, and supposedly they got more vitamins and minerals and whatnot. Look at how much I'm sweating. You guys better like this video. I'm in here sweating for y'all. You too, Gary. So what, are you guys just gonna sit and watch? You guys can come and help, you know. Dude, the llamas are like legit invasive now. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, don't kiss my camera. That's my camera. Let me get a kisses. Where's my oh, right in my oh, I love when you kiss my forehead like that.
Let me give you that.
Anyway, guys, we're coming along well. Mama Hector Veezy is killing it. And look at, we didn't know they had this, but look at this. You can open these if you want to put a kid in there. I mean, a duck. A Veezy Kid. It's Veezy Kids channel, but you got Mama and Papa Veezy out here working our butts off for the greater good. Yo, why is it so smoky in here?
Jayla made bacon.
She cooked the hogs?
No, from the store. No, she didn't cook the hogs.
All right.
All right, well, let's just get to it. You guys are officially evicted. No.
Gotta go, gotta go. Grab them, Ryan. I got their water out there. Yeah, buddy. Gary, you guys got some company.
There's a chicken.
Why did the chicken get in there? Bro, that's not your house.
He wants a cow.
You guys got a new house. Thanks to Aivituvin.
Okay.
Put them in.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys got new houses. Close the gate and go get Duncan.
And the other.
All right, now we have to catch some ducks.
3 of them.
So basically all the ducks that we made or that we hatched out of the incubator are going to be in here for a couple days. We're going to keep this locked so they get used to being outside with these guys and all that. And then in, I don't know, maybe about a week, we're going to let them all out and they're going to actually...
They'll know to come back in here at night.
And they can sleep in here at night. All right, guys, let's go catch those other 3 that are in there somewhere. Yeah, who's the mom of this guy right here? We took your egg, we put him in the incubator, and look, you guys don't even know him? They don't even know their own kid. Ow. Hand him to Ryan over the fence.
Look at the size difference. This one's pretty.
That's chocolate. All right, one more. Yeah, Momma Veezy! Hey, Duncan, what up?
Look at Duncan's nails.
Oh my goodness.
Sleeping with Mingo. Open it.
Yeah, that's good. So now they got food, they got water, they got shelter. And they are locked in. We are gonna have an amazing, quiet night.
Thank you, Aivituvin.
Wanna watch a movie or something?
Hello.
Look how she poses.
I know.
All right, guys, so listen, remember when Paul was here and we had all those little eggs and he was like, they're probably not gonna hatch because they're in Lady May and Mango's enclosure? Look at that. Would you look at that? Look at all the babies. Yes, you did good, Mama. You had a bunch of them. And we should take all of them and put them in the cage, the new Aivituvin.
No.
I always got to feed the little wild Muscovies because I want them to come back. I like them.
That's our Kevin.
No. If that's going to be our Kevin, he can't be called Kevin. Chad. Chad or Chandler. Comment down below what you want us to name our Kevin, the white Muscovy. Chad or Chandler.
They're back.
All right.
Okay.
So let me get a quick yeet. Guys, watch out. I'm going to do a quick yeet in this video because you see they love it.
Wow, that was really far.
Watch the water this time.
Okay.
Stay on the water and I'll hit it right where they are, pretty much where the ducks are.
Ooh.
That's all tilapia.
Thanks for watching today's video. Special thanks to Aivituvin for giving us this duck house. Click up here to watch more VeezyKids videos. Bye!